Hello.
Hi. Come on in.
Thank you.
Where's Deus at today?
He's at a friend's house.
Aw.
Thankfully, like all day, so.
Where's your man at?
He's in here in the kitchen.
Hey,
Jacob.
Hey.
How are you all? Not too bad.
good.
How you doing, man? Good to see you again.
We've been living in Louisville for about a year and a half, and we just moved from Lexington, Kentucky.
Because I got offered a job at a law firm downtown.
How's the house search?
Good. We're just kind of getting started. Our landlord wants to turn our house into a short-term rental. Financially, it made more sense to be kind of investing in our own future.
Not paying these rent prices anymore.
Yes, the rent prices in Louisville can be quite atrocious. I mean, I've always wanted to have my own home.
This will be my first home purchase, your first home purchase.
Yep.
So scary these days
Yeah.
with the market.
Was it like that when you all bought this house?
Yeah.
Us being first-time home buyers, it wasn't like we could just go out and afford the biggest,
Yeah.
most new house.
So what are you looking for on the outside?
I just like older homes.
You can't live without a project.
You like something
I
with
know.
character.
I do,
Yeah.
yes. I love Victorians, cottage style homes.
I'm loving the big porch of a craftsman. Something I can just sit out there on with Sarabi and the other dogs. You could look old from the outside. I love that curb appeal, but on the inside, I don't really want too many projects. I want move-in ready, more modern.
She's on board with a fully updated kitchen and bathrooms, but also wants warm hardwood floors, crown molding, and arches.
Open floor plan.
He likes the open floor plans, but
I like living room, kitchen,
Yes.
connect together.
Yeah.
I kind of like individual rooms though, because you can have different color schemes in each room. And then a big kitchen would be nice just to have people in it. And definitely a nice backsplash that's like some fun color.
Yeah.
I want my house to have style, like it came straight out of a magazine.
I do prefer my monotones. Take your shoes off, sit in a recliner.
He's had the same recliner probably his entire adult life. It's hideous. The recliner's not coming.
The recliner is coming.
Let me
It's-
know.
What am
You guys haven't seen it.
What am I gonna sit in?
If we have a basement, maybe you can put the recliner down there.
I would like a finished basement. Dave's gonna have his own spot and a big yard for the dogs.
I just want to be near downtown because that's where I work. The amount that we want to spend on a home, top is $250, but I would rather be closer to like 200.
This project over here is gonna need that extra breathing room.
Yes, so I can put us onto the house. These houses are really cool in this neighborhood. The house is listed at $189,900. Yes.
That's way under.
She did say that there might be some things that we can do, which is a plus. It's what I wanted. It's kind of like a cottage style home, I think.
Maybe some old charm, maybe.
Yes. Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
I do love that brick.
It literally looks like it could be in a Jane Austen novel.
Why don't we get a porch?
If you put a porch in, you wouldn't get that like slope. It's cute. It looks like a little cottage. I love this door.
Hello.
Hey.
Come on
Hello.
in.
The outside is so cute.
It's really picturesque. Vandy and I met about 2-ish years ago. We do dance performance in town together. She's really colorful, vibrant. Sometimes it's harder for Andrew to really get what he needs out there. So making sure to give him the space and the time to really feel out the different homes is important. This is the neighborhood of Portland. There's lots of really charming old houses here, which is why I wanted to bring you out here.
I really like this fireplace. I don't know if I love the design on it.
It's fine.
Definitely could paint over it. These are all original hardwood floors.
I like the crown molding too.
My recliner would obviously go right there. Television right there.
Your recliner's not going in this room. I mean, no. This is
That
gonna
one.
be a nice looking room, not a dumpy recliner room.
We've got these nice, unique archways, which you really don't find in every house.
Yes.
Wow.
It's nice open layout, like I know you like, Andrew.
This peninsula is, it's awesome.
People can be sitting here while I'm like cooking and
You
stuff.
get lots of counter space. How do you feel about this backsplash?
I love this.
That's a project
backsplash.
we don't have to do.
Nope, we do not. I would keep this.
Double sinks, awesome.
I do like the double sink.
So coming through here, you've got your main floor bathroom.
Ooh.
This bathroom has not been touched in 30 to 40 years.
The tub is old and it's got old jets with old germs, and
I
Definitely.
think that window is the only thing I like about it.
the kitchen's already done, so we can put money in the bathroom.
Oh, goodness gracious.
This is a secondary bedroom, maybe for your son.
He would say this is too small.
Through here is your primary bedroom. And Andrew, you like the color, I'm guessing.
Nice neutral palettes.
Yeah.
I don't mind it at all.
Yeah, or we could paint it like celestial blue.
Ooh.
Because regular blue is out the window.
Yeah, and we could fit the dresser right here. It'd be fine, you know. Put a mirror up. It would make it look a little,
A little bigger.
Open the
Bigger.
room for sure.
you know.
In my mind, nothing would have to be changed. Mandy is pop-up color here. This room needs to be this color.
Not every room needs its own color palette. Beige is perfectly acceptable from time to time.
It opens up into this quaint little room.
Oh, that's cute. I think this would be a nice like office, like glam room. I could put in like shelvings for my shoes and my purses.
And here is another bedroom.
Also, we could probably
All
put
finished,
dais
too.
up here.
He would like having his own floor, that's for sure.
That's cool. Wow.
This is huge.
So it's
It's-
a lot of that you can do with this space.
I love exposed beams, but not quite what I had in mind.
I kind of like the open ceiling. We could paint it black and, you know, maybe even put some like little twinkle lights in it or something. Honestly, like we could make this Dace's room and put a wall up. It doesn't look like we'd have to put too much money into it.
Carpet, boards,
Paint.
something with this.
Yeah, but we can do all that over time. It's not like an immediate. Oh wow, this is big. You know, this could be Dace's bathroom. It doesn't, you know, it doesn't need much. You know, and over time you can.
It's always over time.
Yeah.
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 Alrighty, and this is the entrance to the backyard space. Nice and private.
Garage, be storage.
I mean, it's not a huge backyard, but it'd be great for the dogs.
Look at that porch.
Yeah,
Beautiful crafts, man.
it's cute.
Put a rocking chair out here. It's nice and high up.
It's got a cute front door.
Hello.
Hey.
Welcome. Come on in, y'all.
Thank you.
I was very lucky to find a craftsman style home because they're just so rare around this area. At $199, you're getting 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's a really great deal that you're not going to be able to find in most other neighborhoods.
I really like this light fixture.
It's a bit much.
Yeah.
It's been fully gutted and redone, so there's a lot of neutral colors, which I know isn't
Yeah.
your favorite.
I mean, we can paint. I mean, you know, I would almost.
Looks ready to go to me, but yeah, I know you love your painting.
This is your dining room area.
Okay. Yeah. Again, I really like this.
I feel like I'm walking into a roulette table at a casino.
Yeah, exactly. We can have poker nights at our dining room table. I don't know.
The floors are a nice new vinyl.
Yeah. I don't
Be good-
love the gray, but
But the quality of the floor, they'll be good with all the dog claws running around.
yeah,
This is the bathroom that guests would use.
more grays.
Nice neutral tone.
Yeah, but you want your guests to come in and be like, wow, she has impeccable taste. They have impeccable taste.
I think they're coming. I think they're coming in here for other reasons, but okay.
I would.
Got the unique tub tile.
Yeah, that's cool.
Here is your primary bedroom with ensuite bathroom.
That's always
Oh.
good. Look at the size of this shower.
Yeah, this is nice.
Got a little stool too.
It's got your defined spaces, Mandy, that you were looking for.
Oh yeah. But more white and gray.
Yes.
Do you know if they're gonna put the appliances in or if we're gonna have to purchase those?
So I think they're definitely gonna add in the stove, but maybe not the fridge.
What kind of countertop is this? Like a synthetic?
Yes.
Yeah. We could probably replace the countertops. The kitchen here looks like it's missing some of the charm. I feel like it's kind of copy and pasted into the space and not really thoroughly thought out.
It's not a lot of space.
No.
You
And
are getting a brand new deck, though.
Yeah, the deck is nice.
If only it was in a different yard or a bigger yard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At least right here on the end.
Steep.
Yeah.
And it is unfinished, which I know is something
Oh,
that you
yeah.
really wanted to
Yeah.
find.
And it's really low, so it's not even, I don't even think Deus could like make this a hangout spot.
This light bulb is already.
I know.
yeah.
How
don't
much
see-
do you think it would cost to like actually finish this up?
Around 10 to 15.
I mean, it would be really rustic. Oh, a little half railing.
I do like this, though.
I do too. It's
little
just a
iron
little
rod
weird
stuff.
that they didn't.
Continue it.
Yeah, very strange.
2 more bedrooms up here.
This would be great for Deus. Then he could kind of have the upstairs to himself.
And then you've got your upstairs bathroom here. It is not a full bath.
Tub should be right there, perfect.
Well, maybe that's something we can look into later. If this is going to be Deus' space, I wouldn't want him to go.
All the way down for a bit.
Yeah,
Shower,
Yeah.
Can't deny that front porch. Love it. Great back porch too, but the flip side of it took up all that yard space.
All in all, the house itself to me is a little boring. I would like to see a bigger backyard just for the pups. Like,
Sure.
this is unique.
Yeah, it's definitely different than all the houses around us.
There's still like a little porch though.
Little,
I mean, you could sit out here.
That's insulting.
I do like the blue door though. That's cute.
Hi.
Hello.
Come on in.
Thank you. Whoa. Okay.
Wow. Very white. Yeah,
And
it
a
is
clear
just-
slate.
I mean, we could paint it.
Yeah.
Loving the beams.
Those are cool.
Those are cool.
It's been fully renovated, over 1,600 square feet.
Love this fireplace.
It's not a defined space where we can decorate things separately.
Well, I kind of like it how it's all open. You can see the fireplace from anywhere in the room. I
But
kind
we
of.
would just like put the couch right here.
Now the couch would go over there. This is gonna be like a breakfast nook or something right next to the fireplace. Yeah.
Okay. I don't know about that.
Walking in, that fireplace there, the open area, we could all see each other, talk as a family. I think that's important.
Alrighty, so you got your kitchen over here.
The very small kitchen.
Yeah, it is very small.
You do have new appliances though.
That's
Yeah.
nice. I feel like if I was in here cooking, you couldn't even grab a drink. I mean, I could make it work, but do we want our house to like,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
This is fully finished. Might be a good area for Deus. You've got your full bath here.
Okay.
This could be Deus's room down here, his bedroom.
He would love a little nook like this down here, though.
It's still very bright. It doesn't
yeah.
feel like a basement.
basement.
There's
Yeah.
plenty of light.
This could be the primary just because there are 2 closets in here.
And the
they don't
carpet looks new. I mean, I don't love
Yeah.
carpet, but if I'm gonna have it,
It's clean. It looks
It's
it does-
clean.
Yeah.
Yes. And this is
Gone
the
through 3
third
vacuums already.
room.
maybe we can make this like a guest room /
Something.
your TV
Den.
Your
Yeah.
recliner.
Let's not bring the recliner up here.
I gotta sit.
We'll get you
I
a
gotta
new
sit in
recliner.
something.
And then here is your upper level bathroom.
I appreciate the double vanity, but it's
Little weird. The bathroom's kind of lacking character. We could paint the bathroom though.
yard's a good size.
Lots of
I got-
nice open yard for the dogs to run around and play.
Well, I do love this space. I mean, the 3 of them would be having a field day running around out here.
We bought the cottage style brick home.
Literally just moved in 3 days ago. Which cabinet are you gonna put them in?
The one next to the refrigerator. It had some of those old charms to it that I really like, and then it also has room for projects so that we could put our own personality into it.
My favorite room is the kitchen dining room combo. I love how they're open, both connected, and we can just sit right up at the bar, eat, talk.
And the yard space is perfect for the dogs. Sit pretty. Good girl, Emmy.